Hey everyone, this is my 2018 Indian Scout Bobber. Just going to go over a few modifications that I did to it. Nothing crazy, just things that I think just improve the bike's overall look. I started off with the Rhine pipes. These sound really awesome. They're not super loud, but they've got a nice deep throaty tone to them. I put the 1920 saddle solo seat on there. And then my favorite thing I did was I put matte black vinyl on the tank just around the outside here. What I did was I used 3M knifeless tape. You're able to trace whatever pattern you want, then just lay a big sheet of black vinyl around it and then peel the line out of the knifeless tape, and it gives you a perfect contour all the way around the side of the tank. I ordered new emblems and painted those black and put them on there, and I think it really sets it off. Having the mirrors on the bike like this, visibility, it's hard to see, so I actually just went to the auto parts store and got the large convex mirrors and placed them right on top, so now I have wide angle viewing and it really helps for visibility. I powder coated my brake and clutch lever, as you can see here. Real simple to take off. And then down here, this is a Dirty Bird Concepts radiator cover. This piece is heavy, man. This is a really heavy-duty piece of gear that they offer, so it's not some lightweight plastic. It'll take a beating. And it comes with the mesh grill insert right there, as you can see. I put the Biker's Choice fork gaiters on the front. These are the short ones. I've seen a lot of people put these on their bikes and they're just bunched up like an accordion, so these are the short ones will actually fit the bobber perfectly. I've got a black Hogworks LED headlight, which is really easy to wire up because your actual bucket back here is hollow. It enables that H plug to fit in there perfectly without cramming that light in there. The other side here, I've got the Kuryakin hose cover. Again, just a great piece of equipment just to go on there. It fits perfectly and matches the bike thoroughly. One thing I did do to the bike, and I don't know if anybody saw the video I posted for about 2 hours, but I added an LED Sportster tail light under here. Fit almost perfect, had it mounted in there, wired it up, and didn't even think about the clearance. I hit a dip in my yard here before I even went on a test drive, and it about ripped it right out, so scratch that idea. Let's go ahead and hear how these pipes sound.